Hey, how's it going? We're gonna go look at a car today. I'm here, my girlfriend's here. We're gonna take her car, and I'm gonna just pay for the gas for it, but she's gonna help bring me there so we can go look at this car. It was listed for $3,000 and negotiated down to $1,500. Negotiated right here, so hopefully we can get a good car at $1,500. It does have rocker issues. It needs new rocker panels, which was already said before we even talked at the beginning. It was like rockers need replacing. And this actually was on Craigslist, but then she took it down about a month ago because she didn't have the title yet, and then she reached back out to me. So this is like not even listed right now, and we negotiated a deal at $1,500. I'm gonna go right down and look at it. It's an hour away, so hopefully it's just as good as I thought. It only has 55,000 miles. It's a 2010 Ford Focus, so hopefully it's good. Alright, so the sale is done. We paid $1,500. I took it for a test drive. It runs perfectly. No issues at all, except for the brakes were rusted, but now, as you can see, they're cleaned off. They were rusted over because it's sat for a month. Probably gonna do an oil change on it. I gotta get the rust fixed down here. As you see, they just have this tape over it, and it's all the way through, so all that rocker is gonna have to get replaced. Same on the other side, same exact thing. But so far, so good. We're gonna head home, bring this home. And as soon as I get it home, I'm trying to get it registered and inspected, and well, I gotta get it registered, and then I'm gonna get the rockers done and get it inspected. So see how long it takes me to do this. Maybe about a month or two, but hopefully it'll stay down to a month for turnover time to try to get this thing sold. Let's see how much this one tanks. We're at a quarter a tank, and so far we're 5 gallons in, 6 gallons in. Ooh, look at that. Only $25 to do 3/4 of a tank. Jeez, and that does a quarter of my tank. Let's see how far it takes us though. I bet it'll take us forever. First time getting it up to speed, up to interstate speeds here. I couldn't get it up to speed really much. I probably got 45, or maybe I got 50. There wasn't really very many places that I could go fast enough to test the speeds in this car, but everything so far is so good. No noises, everything's tight, nothing feels really bad with it, so we're doing good so far, and hopefully we do good all the way. And I'm pretty sure this is going to be a pretty good purchase. All I need to do is just get the rockers fixed. It's going to cost a little bit for me to get it registered and inspected, but that's probably what I got to do to get the most amount of money out of this, since it's a New Hampshire car right now, and people that are going to be buying are probably going to want a nice inspected car in Vermont. So we'll get it all done. Just wanted to give some people that might not even see this on their day-to-day basis of mountains and trees. These are some nice views on this interstate. Look at those views. Just those people that don't see this very often. Obviously I live in it, so I see this like every day. It's still amazing to wake up to in the morning, go for a run, and look at a view. So right, made it home safely. The Ford Focus is looking sweet. Look at that blue. But gladly made it home safe. Nothing wrong with it. I like those rims too on it. It looks pretty cool. We also got this sweet wing here. Girl's trying to make me get in the car, but just wanted to show you guys the car first. And I will obviously give her some money for helping out, because I'm pretty sure this is going to be a good deal here, and we'll make things happen. Just to give you guys, I don't know how good you could see it before, but that is all the way rusted through. You know, whole new rockers, and same on the other side. I'll probably just have a mechanic look at it and get it inspected. And look, see, I can just squish it right up. Needs new rockers. Thank you guys for watching. I'm trying to keep you guys, you know, involved with everything I'm doing here, just to show you guys the whole process of making money, because I know a lot of videos I get confused on maybe just starting out how to do it, and I just want to make sure I show you guys the whole process on how to exactly do it. And me just starting out here, this is my third flip, so you know, you get the real raw content of me flipping cars. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to see part 2 and more content just like this one. See you later.